Dear students, you are welcome to 6th period class and arithmetic progression. Last class we have practiced the exercise 1.2 worked examples. In this class I would like to continue the worked examples on exercise 1.2. So that is example 8. Okay children, let us follow the worked example 8. See children, find the 11th term from the last term of the AP. So here we have to find the 11th term from last term of the AP. That is 10, 7, 4, minus 62. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? So here I have taken the simple formula, that is an is equals to L minus of n minus 1 into d. Keep this in our mind. That is an is equals to L minus of n minus 1 into d. Once again, an is equals to L minus of n minus 1 into d, because an is the last term, L is also a last term, n is the number of terms, d is the common difference. So here from find the 11th term means a we should write as it is. In place of n we have to take 11. In place of n we have to take 11. Last term, they are given as last term is how much? Minus 62 is the last term. Understand children? Minus 62 is the last term. Minus 62 is the last term. We should write a as it is. In place of n what we have to write? 11. In place of L what we have to write? Minus 62. Minus you should write as it is. N minus 1 means 11 minus 1. 11 minus 1 is nothing but 10. The value of d is minus 3. We should write A11 as it is. Minus 62 as it is. Minus into minus plus 10 3 is 30. Minus 62 plus 30, that is minus 32. A11 value is minus 32. This is the very simple and shortcut method, children. Okay children, understand it is? Let's go for worked example 9th. Worked example 9th. See children, a sum of 1000 is invested at 8% simple interest per year. Calculate the interest at the end of each year. Do these interests form an AP? If so, find interest at the end of 30 years making use of this fact. So here we have to take, what is this? Principal amount. What is this? Rate of interest. Understand children? So each year, let us find the what is the interest in each year. So we have a simple interest formula. Simple interest is equals to PRT over 100. PRT over 100. P stands for principal amount, R stands for rate of interest, T stands for time. Time is 1 year over 100. Interest at the end of first year, that is 1000 into 8 into 1 all divided by 100. Simple question ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. 0000 get cancel ಆಯಿತು. 80 into 10 into 8 80. 10 into 8 80. Now interest at the end of second year. Interest at the end of second year. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. Interest at the end of second year, that is 1000 into 8 into 2. 1000 into 8 into 2 divided by 100. So 0000 get cancelled. 10 8s are 80, 82s are 60. Now similarly, interest at the end of third year, that is 1000 into 8 into 3 divided by 100. 0000 get cancelled. 10 into 8, 80, 83s are 240. Now let us take first year interest is 80 rupees, second year interest is 160 rupees, third year interest is 240. Now what is the amount at the end of 30 year? Children, What is amount at the end of 30 year? Let us see. It's very simple. So we have a, that is A value is how much? 80. A value is how much? 80. D value is how much? How much? 80. So A30 direct formula, A plus of 2090. Let us take that formula. You will get the answer, that is 2400. It's very, very simple problem, children. Okay, children? It's very simple problem. Okay? Now let me explain the 10th problem. What is 10th problem? In a flower bed, there are 23 rose plants in the first row, 21 rose plants in the second row, 19 rose plants in the third row, and so on. There are 5 rose plants in the last row. How many rose plants are there in the flower bed? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬೆಡ್ಡಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಟ್ಟು ರೋಸ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಸ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಡಾಟ್ ರೋಸ್ ಆರ್. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ರೋಸ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ? So has been all that 21. Second row 21. Third row 19. Dot. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? 2 ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಫೋರ್ತ್ ರೋ 17. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 15. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 13. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 11. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 9. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 7. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 5. What is the value of A? 23. D value is how much? -2. AN value is how much? 5. What is the formula? AN is equals to A plus of n minus 1 into D. AN value is to 5. A value is to 23 plus n minus 1 we should write as it is. In place of D we have to take -2. Simplify that, we will get the answer, that is n is equals to 10. So there are 10 rose plants in the flower bed. There are 10 rose plants are there in the flower bed. Understand, children? Understand, children? Got it? So these worked examples are very simple, very, very simple. Understand? Go through the worked examples and go through my videos and take out yourself the notes and write that notes beautifully, correctly into your class work notebook, children. Okay, children? Is it clear? If you have any doubt in this worked examples, please give me one call or please put your doubt problem through my WhatsApp number, that is 9141521145. So these are nothing but worked examples. We need not to get doubt. Let's come to the exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. See, children, so there we have one box. Fill in the blanks in the following table. Given that A is the first term, yes, A is the first term. D is the common difference, yes, D is the common difference. N is the nth term, yes, ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. A ಅನ್ನೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮು, D ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸು, A N ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮು, N ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಲಿ. A ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟವನೆ, D ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟವನೆ, N ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟವನೆ, AN ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟವನೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ see the first problem. First problem. Exercise 1.2. First problem. So ಆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಗಿವನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡೇಟಾ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟವನೆ? A ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟವನೆ? 7. D ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟವನೆ? 3. N ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟವನೆ? 8. ನಾವೇನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? AN which is equals to question mark. Understand, children? They are given as the value of A 7, the value of D 3, the value of N 8, AN is equal to question mark. So we have a formula, AN a formula ಏನಿದೆ A plus of N minus 1 into D. So we should write A as it is. In place of N what we have to write 8, which is equals to A value is how much? 7. What's the value of N? 8 minus 1. D value is how much? 3. That is A8 is equals to 7 plus 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 3 is 21. So therefore A8 is equals to 7 plus 21, that is 28. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಆ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 28 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಾಕಿ. See children, how simple it is. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈ ಟೈಪಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾ? ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಲೆಕ್ಕ? So definitely I will send the notes to your group. So by seeing notes you can do the first mind all problems without any doubt. Okay children, do you want any problem? I think every problem is easy. Okay children, now let me explain the second main. Take down the notes for first main, first problem. Now let me explain the second problem. So that is based on MCQ. MCQ means multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions. Over children, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಬಿಡೋಣ, ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, now let me explain the second main problem. So that is first question. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. So they are given us one progression, that is 10 7 4 dot 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 dot. So there you have to find the 30th term. I think it's very simple. 30th term. So what's the progression? 10 7 4 dot dot dot. What we have to find? 30th term is equals to question mark. What is the value of A? 10 sir. What is the value of B? 7 minus 10, that is minus 3. Minus 3. You can write directly. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ A2 minus A1, 7 minus 10, that is D is equals to minus 3. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋರಿ. So A30 formula is, direct formula is A plus 29D. What is the value of A? 10 plus 29. Open the bracket. D value is how much? Minus 3. That is 10 plus into minus minus. 29 3s are 3 9s are 3 9s are 27. Carry 2 3 2s are 6 6 plus 2 8. So what is the answer? Minus 77. Take out the option minus 77. Children, is it clear? It's very simple problem. Over children, see, 10 7 4 dot dot dot. 30th term you have to find. 30th term you have to find. 30th term direct formula A plus 2090. The value of A is 10 plus A plus 28 29. The value of D is minus 3. 10 minus 87. Answer is minus 77. Over. Let me explain the second problem. That is also based on same concept. Minus 3 minus 1 by 2 2 dot dot dot. So which term here we have to find? 11th term. That is A11 is equals to question mark. What is the value of A? Minus 1. What is the value of T? Minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 3. It's very important, children. Take a formula, you know. Second term minus first term. Second term is minus 1 by 2. Minus, open the bracket. First term is minus 3. Therefore, D is equals to minus 1 by 2. Minus into minus plus. Therefore, the value of D is equals to more only 0.5. 0.5 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 2.5. ಯಾವ 2.5? 5 divided by 2. ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 3 ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದು. 3 minus 0.5. 3 minus 1 by 2 means 0.5 over 2.5. Fraction form is 5 by 2. D value is equal to 5 by 2. Now what we have to find here? 11th term. That is A11 is equals to A plus 10D. A11 is how much? Minus 3 plus 10 should write as it is. D value is how much? Into 5 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. That is minus 3 plus 5 5s are 25. What is the option? Tell me the students. Minus 3 plus 25. Obviously, option is 22. 11th term value is 22. What children? See children, how simple it is. Write neatly. I am showing the answers fastly because we have to finish the chapter as early as possible. Fastly. I think it is very simple problems. That's why I completed this problem fastly. Okay, children. Hold your mobile screen and write down the notes. Hold your mobile screen and write down the notes. Okay. Next, take down the third main, first problem. Third main, first problem. Third main, first problem. Third main, first problem. In the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. In the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. It's very simple, children. So we have 2 and box. 26. The problem. What is this? Middle number. What is this? Middle number. We have a formula for finding middle number. Middle number find ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ sum of extremes, that is 2 plus 26 divided by 2. Sum of extremes divided by 2. Sum of extremes divided by 2. 26 plus 2, 28. Divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8. What is that number? 14. So that is a formula. That is arithmetic mean ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Sum of extremes means this I would like to take as A and this I would like to take as B. That is A plus B divided by 2. This is formula. Cover. am is equals to a plus b whole divided by 2. A plus b whole divided by 2. 2 plus 26, 28. 28 by 2, that is 14. Okay children, clear? So here I would like to give you the important formulas. Please go through these formulas, then definitely you will get the idea how to do the problems yourself in the first exercise, that is 1.2, and the second exercise, that is 1.2. 1.1 and 1.2 is based on these important formulas. Dear children, please go through these formulas. I would like to write here is normal. It's very simple. First and last divided by 2. I will write the important formulas. The first formula is an is equals to a plus of n minus 1 into d. So here we will get the a10 value, a plus 19d, a6 value, a plus 5d, a12 value, a plus 11d. So another one is small d, that is t2 minus t1, or the small d is equals to a2 minus a1. The next formula is AP minus AQ whole divided by P minus Q. We have last term. From last term. Let us take this one as 1, 2, 3, 4. From last term. So we have a formula that is n is equals to L minus of n minus 1 into d. Fifth formula, simple test formula, that is P into T into R, PTR over 100. Sixth formula, arithmetic mean, that is AM, which is equals to A plus B whole divided by 2. If you have these 6 formulas in your mind box, then definitely you can do whatever the problems on this exercise and the previous exercise, that is 1.1. Okay children, next class I would like to explain you people third main onwards the problems. Before that, keep these formulas in your mind box and keep on watch arithmetic progression, all video problems, video links problems, then only you will get the idea. Please subscribe my channel, that is your channel, Ramesh Diksha channel. Please subscribe your channel, share and like your channel. Please share this links to your friends, dear and nearer friends. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day.